Welcome, adventurers and nature lovers. Today, we embark on a journey through the breathtaking landscapes of Canada, where majestic waterfalls await our discovery. From towering giants to hidden gems, prepare to be captivated by the sheer power and beauty of these natural wonders. 1. Let's begin with the iconic Niagara Falls, arguably the most famous waterfall on Earth. Straddling the border between Canada and the United States, this awe-inspiring spectacle is a must-see for any visitor. Feel the spray of the falls from the Cave of the Winds, or embark on the thrilling Maid of the Mist boat tour for an unforgettable experience. We venture deep into the wilderness of Wells Grey Provincial Park, where Helmcken Falls, the fourth tallest in Canada, awaits. Surrounded by lush rainforest, this plunging waterfall offers a serene escape and a chance to reconnect with nature. 3. In British Columbia, Shannon Falls, the province's third tallest waterfall, offers stunning cascades easily accessible by a short hike. Whether swimming in its refreshing pools or picnicking amidst the scenic views, Shannon Falls provides a perfect escape for the whole family. 4. Now, we encounter the power and majesty of Athabasca Falls, located within the breathtaking Jasper National Park. This thundering waterfall roars amidst mountain peaks, making it a popular spot for whitewater rafting and kayaking enthusiasts. 5. Our journey continues to Yoho National Park, where the second tallest waterfall in Canada, Takaka Falls, stuns with its cascading beauty. Surrounded by glaciers and snow-capped mountains, this majestic waterfall offers a breathtaking spectacle for hikers and campers. 6. Just outside Quebec City lies the 83-meter wonder, Montmorency Falls. Easily accessible by cable car, this cascading beauty allows you to witness its grandeur from multiple vantage points. Enjoy hiking trails or simply relax and soak in the picturesque surroundings. 7. For a truly remote adventure, head to Nahana National Park Reserve, where Virginia Falls awaits. This cascading wonder surrounded by mountains is a haven for canoeing and kayaking enthusiasts, offering a unique opportunity to explore the Canadian wilderness. 8. Back in Whistler, British Columbia, Brandywine Falls provides a refreshing escape for hikers and mountain bikers. This cascading waterfall surrounded by forests offers a perfect spot for swimming and picnicking amidst the natural splendor. 9. Ontario boasts its own natural wonder, Kakabeka Falls, located near Thunder Bay. This cascading waterfall is one of the highest in the province, surrounded by lush forests and offering scenic hiking trails for outdoor enthusiasts. 10, our journey concludes near Hamilton, Ontario, at the picturesque Albion Falls. This cascading waterfall is a popular spot for swimming and picnicking, offering a peaceful escape from the city bustle. Hike through the surrounding forests and soak up the beauty of this natural oasis. With its diverse landscape and awe-inspiring waterfalls, Canada promises an unforgettable adventure for anyone seeking a connection with nature. So, pack your bags, grab your camera, and prepare to be mesmerized by the cascading beauty that awaits. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures. Share your favorite waterfall experiences in the comments below, and let's continue exploring the beauty of our planet together.